So I did a shorter shag, and today I'm gonna show you how to style it, or how I style it. I definitely feel cooler. I'll just include a montage of me cutting it shorter again, and I'm wearing a onesie this time because it got colder here. But if you want to see my other shag video where I actually show how to cut the shag, click here. Yes, please enjoy. Welcome to Didi Cuts a Shag Again. You don't want to go past the middle of your strand because then that will create layers that are way too short, and then when you tie up your hair you'll end up having like these tiny pieces coming out. So stick to the ends of your hair. Getting rid of that dead weight and all the negative energy from 2020. Goodbye. Just want to thin out at the end. Okay. Look at the difference. It's just much thinner. The most you should do is the bottom. So make sure to just go lightly, tread lightly on the other layers. Super quick. And remember not to go past the middle, because then that'll make your hair go poof. Poof, poof, poof. And you really shouldn't do the top layer, especially with a shag or a mullet, because it's already so short. And if you thin it out, you'll really easily accidentally make it way too short, and then that's when your hair is gonna start to go this way. Yeah, so in the last clip I lied because you definitely should also use the thinning shears for your top layer, especially if you have really thick hair like me and a lot of hair. And I realized whenever I ask for a thinning cut at the hair salon, they never do it enough, or like how I want them to do it. I think just because they don't want me to have too many flying layers, but I did it and it's fine, and I need a lot of layers as well, so it's definitely worth it to get a pair of thinning shears or haircut razors, as this one says. And the one I have just opens up like this, and it's just a blade that has this kind of thing, and you wait, how is this put on? Oh, there you go. So yeah, it just looks like this, My mom has had this forever, so but I'm pretty sure they're pretty cheap, just like these simple scissors that you can get at drugstores or order online for really cheap, because they're just scissors. And yeah, after I wash my hair, I use this oil, which is actually from a Taiwanese brand, but honestly you can just use any kind of natural oil like almond oil, olive oil, coconut oil, or whatever natural oil you like to use, because I have dry hair. And you can see after I thinned out the top layer, it's not like a helmet cut anymore. It goes down, but I still think my natural hair is pretty boring. Like, I mean, I feel cool with the makeup, but this is not how I like to wear my hair. So, oh, I should have turned this on first so it could heat. Using straighteners this time. Last time I used a curling iron, but that was because my hair was just longer. I feel like for shorter hair it's definitely easier to do a straightener because it's also faster as well, because you have less hair to work through. So I'm gonna section it the same way. Let me talk through what I'm doing now that I'm more at the top so you can see better. So I take a strand and then curl it away from the face, same as you would with a curling iron. So you clip it kind of like an inch after where it comes out of your hair, because you don't, unless you want it to be like a crazy kind of poofy hairstyle. But for me, I like to do this and then just twist, and it's super fast, as you can see, way faster than the curling iron, because for that you'd have to hold it there for a bit, and it's just less work and also less hair, so it's even easier. So that's why I like to keep my hair short. Obviously there's way more ways that you can style this. Like you can go for a kind of 60s flip, so you can take it and then you go into the end and then you start to flip it out like that, and then you have a really cute like that. But I'm just showing you how I like to do it on the daily. Actually, not on the daily. I do this every 2 or 3 days because it can last on my hair. That it's more like laid back, so you don't have to make it perfect. And because I'm not good at doing hair, so it's perfect for me since I can just kind of like do whatever and it'll look nice. Okay, let's tackle my bangs, because for the top layer everything is a bit different. But for my bangs, you can do it all at once and kind of go like that, but I find that that results in one side like more curled than the other. So I go in in small sections. And I just do that a few times just to make sure. Okay. And then what I do, especially with these front face framing pieces, you really have to get them right. So I go in and instead of curling like a twirl, I just flip it away, because then that creates a kind of like face framing look. Yep, like that. I don't know, the lighting, it's pretty dark today. I don't know if you can see, but let me do some more. And then you can go over them a few times to make sure they are all set. But then for the rest of the top layer, you can do it like normal. And yeah. Okay. Now let's do the other. Pieces. If you have that down, then the rest of your hair is fine. My hair is pretty durable, I guess you can say, because once I style it, it retains the style really well. But I still, because with the shag it's a messier look, so I like to go in with a, what is this called, a pomade. I've actually had it for years and I'm almost at the bottom. You can get any type of hairstyling product that works best on your hair, but I like to get this much and go like this. Oh, I feel it works better than hairspray for my hair just because it's stickier, and since you really want the face framing pieces to stay, you can also put some at the end over there just to give it some more volume and messiness. Also, if you like that kind of wet look that's kind of messy and sexy or whatever, don't be afraid to put in some more. Give me more, give me more, give me more. Oh, she has emerged. She's coming together. See, I don't feel like me until my hair is done, because my hair is my identity. Yep, that is how I style my shag. Ta-da! It definitely makes me look a lot edgier than I actually am and than I actually feel, but it's cool. Let's do a montage. Okay, that is my tutorial. If you came from my other shag video, leave a comment below so I know, because right now that is my most viewed video on my channel, and it's crazy how fast that just went up. So, but if this is the first video of mine that you're watching, you can click here to watch my other shag video where I actually show how to do a shag. Yes. Goodbye, ladies and idiots.